What happens when you eat late at night? Your body cannot digest food and fat starts accumulating fast. First 30 minutes, stomach tries to digest, but at night, metabolism becomes very slow. 1 hour later, food stays stuck in stomach. Digestion completely stops working. 2 hours later, gas starts building in stomach. Bloating and heaviness feeling begins. 3 hours later, undigested food starts converting into fat. Weight gain begins rapidly. During sleep, body goes into rest mode, digestion stops completely, and food stores as fat cells. People who eat late daily gain weight 3 times faster, and diabetes risk doubles. Eat 3 hours before sleeping. Subscribe